Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you how I make Malwani prawn curry. It's a very popular dish and very tasty. Hope you will like this recipe.
Thank you.
Here I have taken 12 pieces of prawns. I have cleaned them. For 12 pieces of prawns, here I have taken half cup shredded coconut, 1 medium size roughly chopped onion, 3 pieces garlic cloves, and about half tablespoon ginger. And we need 2 tablespoon coconut oil, salt to taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 dry red chili, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon Malwani masala powder. I have already soaked the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and red chili because they will help to make a fine paste. I have taken a small portion of cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and red chili because already the Malwani masala has all these ingredients. I didn't wash the prawns yet. Before wash the prawns, I always marinate with some fresh lemon juice because it's healthy and it removes all the germs. Put them well and leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's check the ingredients. Take a blender jar, add chopped onion, ginger, garlic, soaked coriander seeds, soaked cumin seeds, and soaked red chili. Add some water. Okay, now blend it. We need a smooth paste. Now add turmeric powder and blend it again. Okay, masala paste is ready. Now we'll make the coconut paste. Add some water. You can blend all together, but I am making coconut paste separately. Coconut paste is ready. After 10 minutes, I washed the prawns. Now I will marinate with little bit salt and turmeric. I took half tablespoon turmeric and I added little bit turmeric in the paste. Now I will marinate the prawns with the remaining turmeric. Leave it for 10 more minutes. Heat up the pan. Keep the flame on medium. Now add coconut oil. Once oil is hot, add the masala paste, onion, ginger, garlic, red chili, coriander, and cumin seeds. Saute it till the raw flavor goes away. But make sure the flame should be on medium. It will take to saute at least 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now add the coconut paste. And saute it for 4 more minutes. Now add the Malwani masala powder. Now add marinated prawns and salt to taste. Now add 1 cup of water and 6 to 7 pieces of kokum. Do not cover it, let it cook for 10 minutes on high heat. But after 5 minutes, keep the flame on medium. Do not overcook the prawns, otherwise they will become hard. It's been 5 minutes. Now keep the flame on medium and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Madhubani prawn curry is ready. Now switch off the flame and let's dish out. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.